Hey guys, how are you today? Let's start this video by imagining a situation. We all have friends. Let's assume one of the friends comes to you for suggestion. He tells you that his closest relative has been diagnosed with a critical illness and he needs specialized medical attention. Will you go and Google and figure out the disease, try and figure out the cure and some do-it-yourself home investing? Or will you say that chuck everything, let's find out the best doctor in town? Let me know in the comment section, option A, option B, or something different. Now let me change the situation a bit. The same friend comes to you and tells you that, hey, I have saved a lot of money, I want to invest, I wanted to grow it well. Will you Google and see some random mutual funds or see videos about saving by going direct? Or will you be smart and say, forget everything, let's go and hire the best investment manager in town? I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure that the situation in scenario 1 and scenario 2 are the same. One is life-threatening, the situation 2 is life savings. Then why are we not smart in hiring an investment manager? Just like the way we want to hire the best doctor for the critical illness, we need to hire a good investment manager. Yes, you will save some cost by going direct, by doing investment yourself. But by trying to be smart, are we being penny wise but pound foolish? Let's get a little technical. Have you ever read reports on what contributes to your returns? In the sense attribution analysis. Ivy Leagues like Yale have come out with beautiful research reports that very clearly point out that 85% of your returns are due to the right asset allocation, and maybe, just maybe 10% is because of the right fund choice. But unfortunately, there are tons and tons of reading materials and videos on how to choose the right fund, how to do the portfolio management, how to save cost by going direct, and maybe some blanket asset allocation rules, but none very specific. You realize you're already concentrating on something which gives you only 10% weightage. Investment management is not at all easy. It's a full-time job. Leave it to the experts. You will say, why should we take your word for it? You have a vested interest. Of course I do have. I'm an investment manager. You will say that I'm a DIY investor. I will buy some random ETFs, some US equity funds and some debt, and I'm done. Great. Can we then analyze the cost-benefit analysis of investing direct? The three big benefits of going direct are save money on commissions. Save money on commissions. Save money on commissions. I can't recall anything other than this. But by paying that extra cost, you can expect the following: the right asset allocation framework, the right choice of funds, entry-exit strategies, close monitoring of your portfolio, and finally, compounding. Guys, I'll give you a fact. More than 80% of the investors who go direct redeem their money in less than a year. Yes, this is an industry data. In less than a year, thereby stopping their portfolio from compounding. I'll be very honest, in the last 18 months, I have acquired investors who used to invest direct. They now want me to manage their money. Just like any other expert, investment managers are expected to have good knowledge, extensive research and time. It's not a part-time job. Yes, you will save 1% of commission by going direct, but you may miss 100% of the rally. So don't try to be penny wise but pound foolish, please.